You can actually make money from YouTube even if you are yet to be monetized, but a lot of people do not know this. First and foremost, you want to create valuable content that people would want to watch from the beginning till the very end. I'll be discussing 5 various methods by which you can make money on YouTube even without monetization. Even if you haven't gotten your 1,000 subscribers or you have not gotten your 4,000 watch hour. Number one is affiliate marketing. You can affiliate for physical products or digital products. So if you have been creating content and people are asking you what are the content tools you're using, the ring light, the microphone, the stand, and so many other things, you can actually register as an affiliate on Amazon, get the links of those products, create a content about it, and then leave the link in the description box. Also mention it in your video, and people will click to make a purchase while you get a commission for every person that purchases this particular product. You can as well affiliate for digital products. Digital products are products like ebooks, online courses, video courses, audiobooks, and so many other things like that. You can actually earn as high as 50 to 80% commission on other people's digital products. This is possible because digital products does not have a lot of overhead. This is even the first thing I would advise you to do. Try to affiliate for digital products so as to get more commissions and earn massively. Try to understand the product you are selling and talk about it in your video. Create a very valuable content that relates to that particular product and talk about the product. Leave the link in your description and mention it in your video. Number two is brand sponsorship. Brands are actively looking for small influencers that can help them create content about their products or services on YouTube. As at the time of making this video, I have received several sponsorship deals from different companies offering me to help them promote their product using my video, while they pay me a commission for everyone that subscribe through me for their product. So they can pay you in different ways. Some of them pay creators off, they pay you once and for all, while some of them will not pay you any money. But when you begin to enroll people into their products or services through your affiliate link, you begin to earn a particular commission that you can withdraw or that you can use to enroll for their own services. So partnership deals is something you should also consider, especially when you start receiving mails from these businesses. The third one is merchandise. You can have a customized t-shirt, a customized hat, a customized mug, a customized water bottle, and the likes. And you can, sell to your subscribers right here on YouTube. This can be done with or without monetization. You can do it before you get monetized. And even if you're already monetized, you can also do it. There's a particular feature on YouTube that allows you create a store. You can create a store on Shopify and link your Shopify store to your YouTube store, and people will be able to make purchases directly from your YouTube store. How amazing is that? So do not think that because you are a new brand or you are a small creator, you cannot get all these things right. You can actually get it right. People can actually buy from you. It's all about you. They are buying you, okay? So you can create so many merchandise like that. We are getting right into my favorites. Number 4 is coaching and consulting. You can actually offer a one-on-one coaching for people right here on YouTube. You redirect them to your store where they can make payments before they can book a one-on-one session with you, while you teach them whatever you know. It could be Facebook ads, how to start up a faceless YouTube channel, how to become a social media manager, and so many other things like that. And I can practically tell you that I have gotten so many people right here on YouTube that reached out to me for one-on-one coaching because they saw my video here on YouTube. The last and final one, which is also my absolute favorite, is selling digital products. Yes, you can package your knowledge into an ebook, a video course, and so many other things like that. And you can sell it. Yes, you can sell your digital product to your audience on YouTube. The good thing and the most fantastic thing about digital products is you create it once and you sell it over and over and over and over again, like till forever, till you are tired of making money from that particular product. That is when you will stop selling it. So if you have knowledge on anything, I mean anything at all, because a particular thing is easy for you doesn't mean that it is easy for other people. So if you have knowledge on anything, maybe your experience, maybe your skill, maybe your personal development, growth, and the likes, please package it as a knowledge and share with your audience, and they would intentionally buy from you. So if you have not been monetized from YouTube, these are 5 different ways by which you can make money from YouTube, and you would enjoy the proceeds and benefits of this forever and ever. If you got value from this video, do well to give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm can show it to more people. It helps me grow here on YouTube, and I appreciate that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video like this. I remain your humble girl, Rukayat Alime, and remember, on this channel we don't gatekeep. If you have any question, I mean any question at all, do well to drop it in the comment section. And if you don't have anything to say, you can as well just type thank you in the comment section. Or if there's any tutorial you would want me to make or have me discuss, please drop it in the comment section. I would definitely attend to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.